Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create and share a WhatsApp call link on your Android phone or your iPhone. So if you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So you can now create and send a WhatsApp call link so anyone with a WhatsApp account can join your call by clicking on the link. You can send it to a person or a group on WhatsApp, or you can copy the link and share it to another social media app. So first, we need to make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. You can go into your App Store or your Play Store and update your WhatsApp application. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here, you want to make sure you're on the Calls tab. And as you can see at the top here, you've got a new option. The new option says Create a Call Link. So go ahead and tap on that. Now you get this new prompt which will appear at the bottom of your screen. It'll basically say New Call Link. It'll give you a link of your call, of your video call. And as it reads, anyone with the WhatsApp can use this link to join this call. Only share it with people you trust. Now you can change the call type. So currently it's selected as video. You can change it to voice. Now once you do that, you can basically share the link by tapping on that. Or you can use copy link to share this link on another social media platform. Every time you create a call link, the URL is different and secure. And that is how to create and share a WhatsApp call link on the Android phone and iPhones. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.